Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on iPhone in Amazon Shopping. Now, have you ever ordered something by mistake on Amazon? No worries, if you're on iPhone or your Samsung or Android device, it's pretty similar. You can cancel most orders in just a few seconds, as long as they haven't skipped yet. And here's how to do it properly. Now, before you start, Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. If you're using an iPhone, you can download it via the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. Now, let's go back to our topic and teach you how to cancel an order on iPhone. Like I said, canceling an order on iPhone is pretty similar to canceling an order on your Android device. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on an Android device. First thing you want to do is you're going to open the Amazon and go to orders. You're going to open the Amazon app. Then you're going to make sure you're signed in. Then you're going to click on your profile icon. And here you're going to click on your orders. As you can see here, you're going to click on orders to access it. Here you're going to tap your order you want to cancel. For example, you're going to tap it. And after that, you're going to see an option to click on it. It will say cancel order. Make sure to click on it. Then you're going to choose the reason. Select the cancellation reason and then confirm the cancellation. And if the item hasn't shipped, it will cancel immediately. You can also check the refund status. Refunds usually go back to the original payment method, and the processing time depends on your bank. Now, canceling Amazon orders on iPhone is easy, but timing matters. Once an item ships, cancellation may no longer be available, so act fast. And this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.